You know that moment, the nightly bath time struggle? Well, this is the moment those battles just end.
We found something that turns that whole routine into the highlight of a child's day. Seriously, it just replaces the chore with pure excitement.
So what is it? It's this awesome 6-piece set of dinosaur egg bath bombs, and we had to show you exactly how they work.
Each one of these colorful handmade eggs turns the tub into a mini adventure. It's simple, screen-free fun that actually gets kids looking forward to getting clean.
And every gift box comes with 6 of them. 6 unique eggs, which means, 6 different surprises waiting inside.
Okay, so here's the experience. You drop one of these pretty heavy 120-gram eggs into the warm water, and the fizz is immediate. It goes for several minutes, swirling these soft colors and releasing a really calming scent. The whole time, it's building up the anticipation for what's hidden inside.
But the best part is definitely the reveal. Kids just get so excited to see which little dinosaur hatches from their egg. It's a brand new discovery every single time.
All right, but let's talk about the practical stuff, because we know that's what parents are thinking. 2 things, what's in it, and what about the cleanup?
Well, the formula itself is really gentle and moisturizing. It even exfoliates a little, leaving their skin feeling super soft and hydrated long after the bath is over.
The scent is a big deal too. It's this mild, pleasant, floral fragrance, which is such a nice change from some of those harsh chemical smells you can get with other bath products, you know?
As for the cleanup, it's designed to be super simple. The formula dissolves completely, so all those fun colors just wash right down the drain. No stubborn rings or colored stains left in your tub. That's a huge plus.
We also noticed it's put together as a complete gift set, which just makes things really convenient.
The whole set arrives in this sturdy presentation box that looks great all on its own, so you don't even have to wrap it. It's a nice, substantial size for a present, and inside you get the 6 unique eggs, each with a different dinosaur toy.
You can feel it too. The box feels substantial in your hands, which is part of what makes it such an impressive birthday present.
If you want to take a closer look at the whole set, all the details are waiting for you through the link in our description.
Ultimately, this is really about turning a daily routine into a genuine adventure.
It gives kids a little surprise to look forward to and turns a simple bath into a fun experience you can actually share.
You can get the 6-piece dinosaur egg set through the link in our description.